This is a Hobart LXi series under-counter dishwasher. I'm sorry, it's an LXiH dishwasher. Serial number 23-1085-894. This will run on 120 or 208 120. It'll run on 208 through 240 3 watt. I don't know really what that means, but single phase, 60 hertz, max air amps are 37.7. Date CAE. I'll get a look on the inside here. I believe it takes those glass trays, those tray units. See the top there, the bottom. This came out of a culinary school that closed. Take a quick walk around it. Right now I got it hooked up to 220. Do not have water going to it. It was hooked up, so I don't see there's any issue. That beeping is our door chime, but same difference. I'll kick it on. It's trying to fill. Obviously it's not going to get it, so it should either air out. I did this a second ago and I don't know, something runs. Because we hit off. Well, there it stops. I think it's trying to kick the water out now. Let's see that. It's a nice shape. Oh, the door closed. If I open the door, it stops it. I'll do that until I shut it off. Heater down there. It's telling me the door's open. Like I said, nice little unit. I do have a piece of conduit or something that came with the unit. There it is. It's no big deal. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.